Today we are going to be replacing the LEDs on the dash. We're going to be making them multicolored. So let's see how that goes. So there are 4 screws here, 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 and here. I just undid them, and this whole thing comes out. Then we will disconnect these 2 clips back here. So this is the console taken out. I'm sure it was. I'm gonna take it inside, clean it up a bit, and start installing some LEDs. So these little holes around here, that's where all the LEDs are. And they are all pretty easily removable. Just with a pair of pliers, just twist counterclockwise, and it pulls right out. So I took the bulb out of this, and I replaced it with a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, take it back to the car, and just test it. Alright, let's plug back in. So I'm not seeing it, unfortunately. So it might be time to go back in and put it in the other way. I'm gonna apply a little power to this and just see if it's working at all. Okay, not seeing anything there. Pop this out and see if the LED itself is defective. Nope, it's lighting up, as you can see. So the LED is lighting up. That makes me think it is not getting a proper connection with these. My theory is that this wire is a little misaligned, and so it's shorting the whole thing. So I'm gonna try realigning these wires and plugging it back in. So I did a little messing around, and look at that. There we go. Very cool. So the issue is actually with how I was putting these back in. There's a little bit of text on them, and I assumed, since I saw a couple of them text facing up, that they were all going to be text facing up, but it actually varies throughout. For example, down here, this one's text facing up, this one's text facing down, so you just have to match it with whatever was originally there. Alright, back here in the car, gonna plug it in and see if it works. Alright, some of them are coming through, some of them aren't so visible, so I might need to take a look at that. Alright, let's try this again. Cool. So we have green, blue, red, green, blue, more red. The only thing that's not working is this green up here, so I'm going to flip it and see if that fixes it. I'm going ahead and replacing these middle ones also with white LEDs just to make them a little brighter. Okay, so I went ahead and installed those middle lights, and it seems like that was the backlighting for the odometer. It's looking a lot brighter and better now, so I'm glad I changed those. Alright, so it's all put back together. I went ahead and actually ditched the yellow LEDs because they were too dim. The red ones are kind of dim, but I like having at least 3 colors, so yeah, there you go. Alright, so it's gotten a bit darker, so let's check out the lights. Nice.